Hello and welcome. I'm LewiGrand, and in this video I'll be going over the new resource that will be added in 1.16, Netherite. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm in the Netherite. This is where you're going to be able to find Netherite, but it's not exactly found as Netherite, if that makes sense. It's found as ancient debris. You'll just need to refine it down, and I'll show you that later in the video. But anyway, we're just going to hop down here. So, to start out, you're going to want to find a spot that isn't as close to the lava pools. You're going to want to go inland a ways so you're not hitting as much lava because we're going to be digging down. So Netherite is found at levels 8 through 22 most commonly, but it is found at higher levels, but it is most commonly found between levels 8 and 22. So because of that, we're going to be going down to level 16. So here we go. Alright, and if you're on survival, digging down, yes, I know, you should not do that, but I'm in creative. You should just build a staircase if you're doing this. But anyway, we're on level 16, and I forgot to mention that you're going to want to bring yourself a lot of TNT. If you want a lot of netherite, you're going to need to spend a bit of TNT to get it. But anyway, just dig a small tunnel in any direction. Of course, I hit lava, which is amazing. Once you have your tunnel dug, you're going to want to go to the end and place TNT down. You don't need this much. You can probably space it apart a bit, but I'm just going to place as much as I want. And then if you're on survival, of course, get to a safe location so you don't blow yourself up. And here we go. Alright, so let's see what we got here. So I didn't get any netherite in this run, but it is the second rarest item in the game, second to emeralds, and it only spawns in veins of 3. So you could end up getting 1 to 3 blocks per vein, and there's only 5 blocks per chunk, so it is quite rare. I'm just going to start a new tunnel here, see if we can't get any this way. I'm going to go a little longer this time. Alright. Yeah, I didn't see any here, so I'll go this way. And here's the mother lode. So yeah, we got some right there, we got some right here. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like a cobblestone in a way, just with like a reddish color. But that is what the ancient debris looks like. And some quick things to note here is that you won't be able to find ancient debris exposed to air. So you'll have to mine for it. And if you plan on strip mining for it, you are not going to find that much at all. Like if you're trying to strip mine like you would for diamonds, it's going to take you forever to just find 1 block. Because look at this. There was none over here, like anywhere. And then just this way there's some, but you could miss this because it only spawns in chunks of 1 to 3. And there's only 5 per chunk. So... and each chunk has an average of 1.7 blocks per chunk. So it's very rare to get 5 blocks per chunk, which I think I might have here. I don't know if this is split up, but yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yeah. So I'm going to hop back up on the overworld and I'm going to show you how to refine down this ancient debris into netherite scrap and eventually get your netherite ingot. So I'll see you there. Alright, so now that you have your ancient debris, you're going to want to bring it to a furnace or blast furnace. Hopefully you ended up getting 4 ancient debris because that's what you're going to need to get an ingot eventually. But take this to a furnace or blast furnace and it should refine down into this right here. This is ancient scrap. This is what it looks like. And you're going to need at least 4 to get an ingot. So I would stay in the nether until you get that much. But anyway, you're going to want to take that to a crafting table and you need to place it in a crafting table just like this with gold. It has to be gold, so you're going to want to get 4 netherite scrap and 4 gold, and you're going to place it in this pattern in a crafting table, and you should get a netherite ingot. Alright, so now this is how you get your netherite equipment. You're going to want to take any piece of diamond equipment, whether that be armor or the tools, and place that in a crafting table with your netherite ingot and that will basically upgrade your diamond equipment into netherite. So unlike in the past where you have to craft with the ingot, place your diamond equipment in the crafting table with a netherite ingot, and it should output that equipment into netherite. So it's basically upgrading whatever you had into netherite. So now I'm going to go over some stats and tips about the new equipment. Netherite equipment will not burn in lava, and the tools get an increase to durability from diamond to netherite of 470. So you can do 470 more actions with the new netherite equipment. And then the armor, you'll get an extra 220 durability with the netherite armor. And then the swords have an extra attack point. So it went from 7 to 8 with the swords. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Go to the nether, get yourself some ancient debris, put it in a furnace, get ancient scrap, put it in the crafting table with gold, get your ingot, place your ingot with your diamond equipment, and you will upgrade it to netherite. It's as simple as that. But yeah, that was netherite. So hopefully this video helped you with any questions you had about netherite. If this did help, leave a like, comment on any thoughts or questions you have, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Peace.